Peter. Y no hace nada. This is 8:13.
Huh?
You said 8 o'clock. Huh?
I had a poop.
Huh? Say it again.
You know how like you're supposed to clock in and work at 8? Like if I were to look at your Paycom right now, would I see an 8?
Yes.
How many?
You see all 2 weeks.
No.
Yeah, there's an 8 in the front. That's all you need.
It's a good deal.
How you feeling, Mr. Henry?
Yeah, I'm alright, man.
How you gonna do in this tournament?
Yeah, I'm alright, man.
O2.
So how are you gonna pay for this taxi? We don't take cash or card.
Hey, you're 18, right?
Yeah, I'm alright, man.
What's up, my ex-Bombays? We're here eating lunch.
You have a cell? Nah, man. Why aren't you streaming? You can stream on Twitch from your phone. Stream.
You just don't say the end.
Did you actually log the dark place?
I did. I just didn't get the end. We heard some scary noises over there.
I would think so. Is this me? Is this me? Yeah.
Can you record me dance for my fans? Does someone record me dance for my fans?
No.
What can you dance for my fans in? That's for my fans. That's for my real fans. Why you look so mad, Mr. Henry?
So happy to be with you, Joaquin.
What?
So happy to be in this trip with you.
Oh, you got some little stuff on your mix right here.
You know how happy Edward is that he doesn't
Did you just wrap your face with a burger wrapper? Did you just wipe your face?
This is why you eat slow, Joaquin.
He just wiped his ass with a napkin too and wiped his mouth.
It's not bad to wipe your ass.
Look, you wanna see this fool?
What's that?
Ordered a large water.
$4.
Bro, what dumbass orders a large water?
$1.50. That should look kind of good. Ham,
Oh,
egg,
for good luck?
bacon, sausage.
What?
I just like anything with breakfast sausage. The world can't understand.
Move. I gotta move. Give me some room.
You say outlets? Elevator.
I gotta move.
Bro, I'll end this trip.
You won't. Bro, say one fucking litter.
God's not dead 3.
Shit on my head. Hold on. Here.
You have a certificate to drive one of these bad boys? Electronic, yeah. I had an electronic. Wait for it? Or can you take a picture of me for my new whip?
Yeah.
Cut throw. They be on my nuts though.
I mean,
How you gonna do in this tournament? Oh, bro, someone left an eraser here, bro. Bro, someone left a goma back here, bro. Bro, I came up on a fucking goma.
Hey man, no filming on campus, dog.
hey, I didn't give you consent to film.
What's up, guys? It's your boy X Bombay. You know, we're here at UC Irvine. But yeah, but you can't switch back and forth when you're recording.
Did you use Snapchat?
I want to record with Snapchat.
Hey, then we're gonna have the jewel right here real quick, right?
Camera's back good.
You didn't see that?
Will we do it again?
Or he's not 21, he's gonna go to jail.
Yeah, we out here in UC Irvine. You know what to do. It's your boy.
Maggie's here.
Lego in here. What?
You're welcome.
Okay, finally, where are you at?
Oh, I'm so
Yeah, that's 203. And I'm in a band.
Lost. Your brother sucks.
Are we doing scissors or are we doing shears?
Yo, we're here at Irvine, just vaping. Pretty cool. I vape.
Are you gonna ever use that footage? Yeah, no.
I have a. Oh yeah.